Global Wind Safety Certification, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to another informative session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Thank you for joining us. As the global demand for renewable energy continues to grow, the wind energy sector has become one of the fastest growing industries worldwide. Along with this growth comes the need to ensure that every technician, engineer, supervisor, and contractor working on wind turbines is properly trained to work safely in challenging environments. Today's video focuses on global wind safety certification, an internationally recognized approach to developing the knowledge, practical skills, and safety culture required for personnel working in the wind energy industry. Whether you are a wind turbine technician, maintenance engineer, HSE professional, contractor, or an organization involved in renewable energy, this video will help you understand why wind safety certification is essential. In today's session, we will discuss what global wind safety certification is, why safety is critical in the wind industry, major hazards in wind turbine operations, training models, benefits of certification, career opportunities, employer advantages, how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can support your training needs. Let us begin. Understanding the wind energy industry. Wind energy has become one of the world's most important renewable energy sources. Countries across the globe are investing heavily in onshore wind farms, offshore wind farms, hybrid renewable projects, smart grid infrastructure. Modern wind turbines can exceed 150 meters in height and operate under extreme weather conditions. Working in these environments requires specialized knowledge and internationally accepted safety practices. Personnel routinely perform activities such as working at heights, electrical maintenance, mechanical maintenance, blade inspection, tower climbing, rescue operations, heavy lifting, confined space work. Each activity involves significant risks. Proper training dramatically reduces accidents and improves operational efficiency. Why wind safety certification is important? The wind industry presents unique workplace hazards. These include falls from height, electrical shocks, fire incidents, mechanical injuries, high winds, extreme weather, confined spaces, heavy equipment movement, offshore evacuation challenges. Without proper training, these hazards may result in serious injuries, operational downtime, equipment damage, and financial losses. Global wind certification ensures personnel understanding these risks and know how to respond safely. Objectives of global wind safety certification. The main objectives include building a strong safety wall culture, preventing workplace accidents, developing practical rescue skills, improving emergency preparedness, protecting employees and contractors, meeting international safety expectations, enhancing operational reliability, supporting sustainable renewable energy projects. Now, core training models. A comprehensive global wind safety certification program typically includes the following models. First, basic safety awareness. Participants learn hazard identification, risk assessment, safety responsibilities, personal protective equipment (PPE), safe work practices. Working at heights. This is one of the most critical models. Topics include fall prevention, harness inspection, ladder safety, climbing techniques, anchor points, rescue procedures, emergency descent. Practical exercises help participants safely perform work at elevated locations. Third, manual handling. Improper lifting causes many workplace injuries. Training covers correct lifting techniques, ergonomics, safe movement of equipment, team lifting, injury prevention. Fire awareness and firefighting. Participants learn causes of fire, fire prevention, fire classes, fire extinguishers, emergency evacuation, fire response procedures. Then fifth is first aid. Basic first aid skills include CPR awareness, bleeding control, fracture management, shock management, emergency communication, casualty assessment. These skills can save lives before medical assistance arrives. Then sixth is sea survival for offshore personnel. Personnel working offshore receive training on water survival, life jackets, emergency evacuation, rescue boats, helicopter escape awareness, survival techniques. Then next is safety awareness for wind turbine operations. Participants understand wind turbine components, operational hazards, lockout, tagout, LOTO, safe isolation, permit to work systems, safe maintenance practices, Importance of personal protective equipment. PPE is the final barrier between workers and workplace hazards. Essential PPE includes safety helmet, full body harness, safety shoes, gloves, eye protection, hearing protection, high visibility clothing, respiratory protection where required. Workers must know how to inspect, wear, maintain, and replace PPE correctly. Benefits for individuals. Certification provides numerous career advantages: improved employability, international recognition, better technical competence, enhanced confidence, increased safety awareness, career progression, opportunities in global renewable energy projects. Many employers prefer certified personnel because they demonstrate commitment to workplace safety. Benefits for organizations. Organizations benefit through reduced accidents, lower downtime, better legal compliance, improved productivity, higher employee confidence, better contractor performance, reduced insurance risks, stronger safety culture, enhanced corporate reputation. A competent workforce contributes directly to project success. Now, who should attend? Global Wind Safety Certification is ideal for wind turbine technicians, wind farm operators, maintenance engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, HSE professionals, supervisors, contractors, renewable energy companies, service providers, students entering the wind energy industry. Now, why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides professional support for organizations and individuals seeking globally recognized wind safety training. Our services include global wind safety training, safety awareness programs, working at heights training, fire safety training, first aid awareness, manual handling training, offshore safety awareness, corporate training programs, customized training solutions, certification support. Our experienced trainers focus on practical learning, international best practices, and real world safety applications to help participants build confidence and competence. Now, at last, closing and call to action. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this session has helped you understand the importance of global wind safety certification and its role in creating a safer, more competent, and highly productive workforce for the renewable energy industry. If your organization or team is planning to enhance workplace safety or requires professional global wind safety training, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with expert training and certification services. Contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon to receive updates on our latest videos covering ISO standards, renewable energy, occupational health and safety, inspections, audits and professional certification programs. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep learning and contribute to a safer and more sustainable renewable energy future with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited.